Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So for this video, two things that happened over the weekend, which is the one article is about Gun-Free South Africa, which is quietly being pushed under the table, and nobody's recognizing and seeing what they're doing, because everybody's in hype about what America is doing to South Africa. So the first interesting piece of news is that Julius Malema is now under the radar of the Trump administration. We do know that the guy in the red beret has been talking a whole lot of hot air on the parliamentary stage, where he attacks both Donald Trump and Elon Musk. So it seems like that he's just putting more fuel on the fire for himself and for Parliament. So he is definitely under more investigation from the CIA and the FBI. And we do know, we've seen before how America treats individuals that tend to threaten the presidents of America. So it's not so important to us, because should Julius Malema go on an extended holiday and never return, it would actually be better for South Africa, because a guy standing on the stage singing songs about killing people and standing on the stage and saying that they will take land, I mean, in any sensible society, that is not acceptable. Now, the second article, which is for me quite concerning, which very few people know about, is Gun-Free South Africa. So let's first have a look at who Gun-Free South Africa is. Gun-Free South Africa is a non-profit organization. They get most of their funding from abroad. Gun-Free South Africa has for a very long time whispered in the South African government ears to create certain policies and policy directions regarding firearms in South Africa. Now, it's quite interesting, because they've got a thing going on now where they would like to have gun-free zones in South Africa. So I've got a lot of questions about this, because in a country where we have 70 plus murders per day, we have a South African police force that admitted that they cannot fulfill their mandate of protecting the South African citizenry. How do you want to create gun-free zones in a country like South Africa? It just doesn't make sense. And then the second piece is they talk here about the amount of weapons that actually becomes illegal. And yet again, this derives or comes from the fact that the South African police service actually loses a lot of the weapons that they actually get. It is not the normal legal citizen that loses their weapons in hundreds and thousands. It is the South African police service that actually loses these weapons, and it's been proven before. So instead of attacking illegal weapons and where illegal weapons come from, Gun-Free South Africa has been consistently attacking legal firearm citizens. And at the end of the day, the only thing standing between us and illegal firearms is a legal firearm. That is unfortunately the reality in South Africa. So I'm flabbergasted that these people have been whispering into the South African government ears for years now, telling them to get South Africa gun-free, yet they cannot even resolve the issues of illegal guns. Now, the reality in South Africa is that a legal gun owner is not the one that are committing the crime. It is the illegal guns and the people obtaining the illegal guns that are committing the crimes. You should actually be doing the reverse. You should be motivating citizens to be legally armed, firstly, because if a citizen that is legally armed walked in to a specific place, a church or a school or a mall or an office, that specific area becomes immediately much safer than an area where there's no firearms or legal firearms. Like I say, they are attacking legal firearm owners for years and years and years now, and they're making it extremely difficult for South Africans to actually legally self-defend them. while the South African Police Service cannot fulfill the mandate to actually protect us as citizens of South Africa. Absolutely crazy the world we live in. This is South African Prepper. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.